Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on GU guys. So before we do today's analysis on GU, let's do a quick recap on GU guys. So what was we expecting last time analyzed, right? When I analyzed GU, I think we're around this area right here, right? And I said I'm predicting GU to push to the downside, right? Because we can see we have this impulse, a correction, and a continuation push to the downside. But what I was seeing back then was some sort of like this rectangular correction, because we've been rejecting around the 23. You can see we've been rejecting around the 23.6% fib level, right? So I was thinking we might just continue to react around that area for it to continue to push to the downside. But just like we know, we don't predict the market, we react to the market. We can see that even despite the fact that we rejected around that area multiple times, we still broke that area, push up a little bit to my 61.8% fib level, run around that area before we start tanking to this downside to hit my TP1 and my TP2 area, because those are like my predicted area for sell on GU. Yes, we still hit our TP, but our entries was different, and that is fine because we know that we don't predict the market, we react to the market. This will have been a good entry right here for beginner. If you have drawn a zone right around this area right here, we can see that we retested around that zone with this 23% fib level, then continue to tank to the downside. So that was how GU was, guys. We can see. So now let's reanalyze GU today. So now I'm gonna delete everything and analyze GU based on the current market we are in. Let's see. So we can see that we're expecting this impulse correction, and I'm continuing to predict it to continue to push to the upside, guys. So at least around this area right here will be our first TP area. So we can still say GU pushing to around this area right here to give us a possible fudge of the trend line, right? Then we might continue to push the downside or break it and continue to push the upside based on how the markets were around that trend line. So now what are we seeing right now? So we can see that on GU, we can see right here that we broke this kind of trend line is giving us this lower high, so there's a possibility for it to continue to tank to the downside. Let's go to my daily time frame and see. So we can see right here like GU is in a tricky state right now, because we are currently reacting around this trend line right here. We can see based on the power price action that we've rejected around that trend line quite a number of times. The top time we came here, right, even this broke a little bit, but we still rejected, and now we are currently around that trend line as well. So we've been around that trend line for a while, so that also shows us there is a possibility for a sale, right? So G is kind of tricky right now, so I think you just have to be a little bit patient to see how the market react around the trend line to determine our next move. So that is what I will be looking at on GU. But remember, this is the 4 hours time frame. That's why I like to do top-down analysis, because if we go to a smaller time frame, there is a possibility that you might see a little bit more clear picture, right? So let's see. We can see that I can also draw a mini zone right here. A mini zone can be drawn around this area right here, right? And we can see that based on that, we reacted around that zone quite a number of times, and we are currently around that area. So it's just safer to put that zone right here to see that if we continue to react around the zone, then we might sell, right? But if we break the zone, give us a retest for like a higher high, then we might continue to ride to the upside. So that's another advantage of that zone. Let's go to my daily time frame and see. So based on the fact that GU is kind of like tricky right now, to be honest, let's go to the way GU is reacting around this area. It's nothing that significant. If I draw a mini trend line right here, let's see, visibility, just wanna see. We can see for us to sell, right? Let's see something like impulse here, correction, because we can see right here that we have this break of structure right here. It broke the structure as well, so that shows there's still sell in the market, right? That's a possibility. So based on that, I can do a mini fee from point A here to point B, just to show that we might, if we continue to sell, right? Let's see. Let's adjust let's adjust this and see point B here. So if we continue to sell on GU, right, I'm predicting my next target to be 1.249 to 3, right, for TP1, and TP2 will be 1.24789, right? That's what I'm predicting for a sell on GU. So let me just draw my lines right here. First here, right here, then second one right here. Let's see, let's put price tag around this area will be 9 to 3. That will be around 8, 9. So for my sell on GU, guys, this is my predicted area for sell on GU. But let's go for, just in case, right, we push to the upside. Yeah, it's a good one. So let's put right here to get tiger. Another target is here. So for a buy on GU, let us see a break of structure right here and a breakout zone. Retest, give us a lower high, and we probably target it to around this area right here. See, so something like this, come back here, give us some sort of like a retest, then that will be a good TP area for buy on G, which is 644. So guys, so this is my quick thought on GU, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.